Hello and welcome to this CodeRage session 2019. My name is Harry Stahl, I'm developer and Embarcadero MVP, and my topic today is useful hints for working with styles. Here you can see a short overview what we will discuss today. We start with the question, where are the styles on my computer? To answer this question, I have started here my FireMonkey program, and you can see the styles are saved in public, Embarcadero, Studio, then version number for Rio, 20 styles, and here you have the styles. So one way to get more styles is to use Delphi, and via the Gedit option. When you start Gedit, you can select styles and then take some time, and then you can see the styles that you can install on your PC. For example, I select this style and set install. I just have to accept, and it's already done. So you can see the folder where the new style is saved. For example, here when we click, we can see the style name. As you can see, in the Windows folder it is only a VSF style file and not a .style file for FireMonkey. We will see later how we can convert this to a FMX style file. Another way to get new styles is to buy it from a third-party developer, here from KSDev, from Delphi styles. There you have FMX styles, VCL styles, and you have a real big bunch of different styles. So how can you view styles? In the bin folder you have two main viewers. This is one times the VCL style viewer and the FMX style viewer. You can start this program and give as a parameter the file name. For example, when I want to see this golden graphite style, I copy the file name to the clipboard and start the FMX style viewer as a parameter of the file name, and then you can see the style. The same thing is when you want to see VCL style. For example, this nice looking Amethyst Camry. Then I start the VCL style viewer with this parameter, and it looks like this. Of course, you can also assign the file extension to the system by double-clicking on the name, and then will appear a dialog where you can select the style viewer file. This is the from XE7 that I don't want to use, and for that reason I scroll down and set searching for apps, and I insert this viewer from Rio. So, and now it works also, and by every double click on the style file you see then directly the viewer, and then you can directly select this program to view the file. And just as a short info, you can also develop your own style viewer. I have integrated here in my IDE-Manager on the Styles tab. So by default you will see the styles that are installed in the public documents folder, and you can see here FMX and VCL style, and you can directly start the viewer from this point, and you have also directly access to the different subfolders that they are here, and you can also here start the viewer and have a look at it. And now I show you how we convert this last VCL style to FMX style. You can use here the under tools the bitmap style designer, and you can then open style name and set just save as, but you save this as style file, and that it was. So, and now I will show you how you can assign a style to the program. Therefore here I have also inserted a style book, and double click on it and open a style file, and here we use this what we have converted, and I close it. And now you have also assigned the style book to the form, and we run the program. So it looks good, but I show you what happens when I start another form. It does not have the style, and the show message has also not the style. We can adjust this for the form if we activated Use Style Manager here, and when we now start again the program, also the second form has a style, but not the show message. That means all dialogues from the system are not styled under FMX. If you work with VCL styles, then you have there the opportunity to style the system's dialog. Also, under FMX you have to develop your own open and save dialog and message dialogues if you want to have them styled. So we want to use this program on different platforms, Windows, Linux, with FMX Linux and Mac OS. And how do we handle it to get the styles, the different styles for this platform? If we open the style book, you can see we can add other platforms and load perhaps then a style book file, but we haven't Linux here, so we use another way. And generally I often use in my projects the TS Style Manager set style from file, but then you have to handle different style files in your systems. You have to copy them to the different OS systems, and you have also to handle it in the deployment manager for the different debug, release, and App Store, and different options, and so you have a lot to do with this. So that's the reason that I show you a very easy and other solution. I have created for this 3 data modules. For example, here this Windows, and I have integrated and load a style file as I have shown it before. I have do the same for the Mac and also for the Linux platform. They have corresponding names, data module Linux, and so on. So we remove this style book, and in the creation event we create only this data module that will be used for the platform, and all will be fine. It is necessary to use 3 different data modules, because you can use the option Use Style Manager from the style book only once, and you can also set it not at runtime. it works only when you have set it before at design times. So that's the reason that you have to use these 3 data modules. And let's have a look jetzt now for window if it works. It's okay, and we have all the second form, and we check it now for Mac OS. So let's see via remote control what then happened on the Mac OS platform. So we have it started here, and also the second form is fine and all work like it should. So, and the last test is to look how it works on the Linux platform. Here is a window and all is fine again. So now we're at the end of this short video. On my FireMonkey blog you will find a lot of information that I have reported here and more links to older videos I have made about styles and more information. So long that it was. Bye bye.